Hi everyone, welcome to Sage's Garage. Today we are focusing on Pascal, my lovely 2007 Volkswagen Beetle. There's like an auto wreckers place near my work that I drive past every day, and for the past week I've seen that there is a VW Beetle. It's yellow and very cute. It's got some flower stickers and I can tell it's my generation sitting there. And then I noticed 2 days ago that one of the headlights was missing, and then I noticed yesterday that there was like other parts sitting on the roof. So clearly they are parting out this car, and I know that that place does this often, so it totally makes sense. But I need many parts for my Beetle. She is unfortunately kind of crumbling, and so I was very excited to find out if I could get any parts from them, and especially the headlight, because as you know, my driver's headlight, I literally drove over on the 401, which was super fun, which we are entering right now, so you guys might go flying. Oh, and my Beetle's so lovely, it held on perfectly. Anyways, so I wanted a new headlight because mine has some holes in it, some scratches, and anyways, I called. They said that basically any part I want, I can have. They'll tell me the cost of it, and if I want it, I can have it. So, as long as it's still available. So we are headed there right now. I am beyond excited because this car needs so many things. And yeah, so I'm hoping to get a headlight, the driver's side one specifically. I don't know if it's worth getting both. Wow, you're not gonna be able to hear me at all. I'll wait till I'm off the highway. The microphone. Okay, now I'm off the highway and you guys can actually hear me. I don't know exactly where I left off, but I'm just gonna give you a list of the things that I'm looking for. First of all, the driver's side headlight, which I know they have. I know that the car has replacement rocker panels. Ideally, I would love them. They're just black, which is fine. But the thing is, I don't know how mine come off, go on. I don't know how those things go on or come off. Well, there's no point filming now. You can't see anything. Basically what I want is driver's side headlight. I'd love the rocker panels, but I know that there's a lot that goes into that, but I'd love to just take a peek. I need 2 seatbelt covers, like the little part that holds the seatbelt, because mine are broken. And I'm gonna look at the sunroof because my sunroof is fine, the mechanism, but the little plastic part here, this thing is like, oh, where is it? Where's my hand? It's like, it's stuck. It's done. So if I can somehow get that out and get a new one, perfect. Anyways. Headliner behind your head. Oh, and also my amazing headliner. So if I can look at something with that, but I know that's a big fix. But yeah, it's really, oh, you guys can't see anything. It's really bad. Okay, we gotta go because they're closing soon. The flowers. I'm back home now. It was so fun looking at that Beetle, but it was a lot different than I thought. So a lot of like the interior was taken apart, or parts of it. One of the headlights was out. The rocker panels, I thought that they were good. No, up close you could tell they were really bad. They were just like a job that they tried to get rid of the rust. They were like patchy, and they were sprayed all with black that was like meant to rust protect. But yeah, definitely not good. Definitely not taking those off of it. But basically, I ended up getting a quote for some of the things that I'm interested in getting. I don't know if I'm getting all of them, but I thought it would be interesting to share them with you guys. So, let's start. We're just going to go order of the list. Okay, first thing. Okay, my headliner is atrocious. I will show you guys right now what it looks like. But it's really bad. It's falling apart, and all the time the little foam is like falling off and falling onto me and everything in the car, and it's super gross. So, that's a big deal to me. Now, this one I thought was going to be so expensive that like it wasn't going to be doable, but they quoted me $200 for the whole perfect immaculate headliner. So, I really want to do it. The only thing is I'm going to have to take out mine and put in this new one by myself. And I know that that is going to take a lot of work. And in the process, I could break a lot of like the little plastic things and the clips. And I know it'll be very tricky, especially because I do have a sunroof. So dealing with that mechanism is going to be a lot. So that's the only thing I have to debate about. But the price, $200, incredible, 100% worth it. It's just a matter of if I can do that or if I can get someone to do it. But I don't think so. I think I'm going to have to do it on my own. So we'll see about that one. Next is the headlights. They are $100 each. Now I only need the driver's side one, but they are so much cleaner and nicer that like I kind of want to get both, just, you know, because then they'll look the same and I won't have one yellow nasty one and one nice clean one. But it's also $100 and I could just clean the one, so we'll see about that, but I'll definitely get the driver's side one. And then I need new seatbelt clips. I'll show you guys mine, but mine are totally broken. They snapped off and they always catch on my clothes and they're super sharp on fingers and stuff. So those are each $50 for the driver and the passenger side. I feel like that's a lot. I was hoping they'd be like $10, but oh well, $50. I have to do it. I mean, I don't have to, but it's unfortunate. Next up, okay, my sunroof. My sunroof functions perfectly and it's totally fine, but the plastic bit that you kind of pull over, it's broken because it's snapped off the track, and so I can't use my sunroof because it's closed, so it doesn't work, and it's really frustrating. But he can't just give me the plastic part. He would have to take apart the whole sunroof and give me the whole sunroof and all the mechanism, and because of that, it's $150. I don't know about that one because I don't need like the glass or any of the mechanisms or any of that because mine works fine. I just want the plastic, and I don't know if it's worth that plastic piece for $150. But we'll see. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know about that one. And then last but not least, I wanted the flower vase in that car because it was perfect and mine's cracked and I'd like to be able to put water in mine, and that one is for free, which is super exciting. So altogether with tax, the total is $734.50. So I don't know. I'm going to go decide what of those I want to get, and I will probably go get them tomorrow, whatever I can, and then they're going to have to take it apart and take a few days, but I'm very excited. I'm so glad I went to go look because if I can get this headliner, that will be huge. Oh hey, it's me again from the future. I did end up picking up a few parts for the Beetle, which is really exciting, but as you can see, I have not done anything with them yet. So I ended up getting the headliner, which is super exciting. Ended up getting the entire sunroof assembly, which is kind of crazy. I got one new seatbelt thing. I thought I could just get the cover, but unfortunately I had to get a whole new half of the seatbelt basically. So I ended up just getting one. My driver's side one is breaking too, but I did not want to spend $100 on little seatbelts. So whatever, I'll deal with that one when the time comes. But I'm glad I got the passenger side one. And then I also got my driver's side headlight, which I've actually already put in the car, which is great. And I got my free little flower vase. My next question is, how am I possibly going to change my headliner? I've watched so many YouTube videos, but I am terrified because basically I have to take all this stuff out and like everything up here, and there's so many little plastic clips I could break, and once they're broken, that's it. I did actually chat with a Volkswagen dealership. They quoted me between, I think, $400 and $700. It was a loose quote, but it was basically depending on if anything broke, how difficult things were, if things broke, how difficult it would be to replace them, like little clips, things like that. So I don't know if I want to have them do it. I would love to do it myself. I think it would be great content for you guys if you're interested. But if you don't care, then maybe I will just have them do it. But also, I don't really have that money to be dishing out to fix my headliner. So, and also like I want to be able to do it myself, right? Ideally, it's the whole point of this channel is that I'm fixing my cars myself. For the most part, as much as I can. So anyways, I'd love to know if you guys think it's a good idea for me to replace my headliner, like me personally, or get some help, or just take it somewhere and spend the money, because it's not worth it to me to try and do it myself and then to break stuff, because then it's like not worth it. Like I would have rather just spent the money and had someone do it properly, but I mean, what to say, they're not gonna break stuff? I don't know. I mean, they're like trained obviously, but I'm just like nervous because it's a lot. As you can see, I'm literally sweating. It's very toasty in this car, although I do have my AC working now, which is so exciting. Thank you so much again, Dan from RT Automotive. We got my AC working, which is so exciting, but it's not on right now so that you can hear me. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts on replacing my headliner and about my sunroof, okay? Because where it gets tricky is that I have to take out my sunroof and I have to take out the glass from above the car. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Like, get a giant ladder? How am I going to get above my car and pull the glass out? How? I have no idea. I've watched so many videos. If you have any videos to recommend, please put them in the description below. I would love, if any of you have done this, I would love to chat with you personally. Like, honestly, because this is a huge deal to me. Like, it's all over my car, you saw in the last video, and it's just really frustrating. And I have the new one now, and I've had it for many months, and I really just want to fix it. Especially, I want my sunroof working for summer, and it's already July. So, anyways, wish me luck. Please give me advice and your thoughts on if I should just have someone else do the headliner and the sunroof, because maybe it's not worth breaking. I was like, what if I break the sunroof glass? Oh my god. And like, how am I gonna rewire a new sunroof in? I have no idea how any of that works. So yeah, anyways, I'm freaking out, but I got it figured out. So let me know what you think. And anyways, that is the end of today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!